The Space Coast has always been at the forefront of innovation and exploration. That's why the Greater Palm Bay Chamber of Commerce is proud to host our 7th Space Coast Symposium on August 22nd. We have 3 exciting panels with representatives from companies leading in manufacturing, technology, and aerospace.
I may not be an actual astronaut, but we're going to have a fireside chat with a real astronaut and CEO of Aerodyne Industries, Andy Allen, who has logged over 900 hours in space across 3 shuttle missions.
We'll get to hear his take on the commercialization of the space program. The symposium continues to grow every year. This year, the Space Coast Symposium will be held at the Radisson Resort at the Port in Port Canaveral, with room to host over 600 attendees. This event sells out every year, so go online for sponsorship opportunities and tickets.
Mark your calendars and come see me, Piper, and these guys at the Space Coast Symposium.